Hello dear children, good morning everyone. So these days we are learning the chapter 6, slide organization, the PowerPoint. So we know already this is very important and a very easy lesson to learn, and it is very interesting to learn first of all, right? So today we are going to see one interesting topic, editing the text object. Editing the text object. So we know already how to insert the text, right? How to insert the text, and so when we know what is the meaning of inbuilt text. So when we insert built-in templates, so built-in the default text will come. So how to change it according to our wish, according to our convenient. Sometimes we need to make a corrections in that. There could be some mistakes in the text, so we have to make a corrections. How to do that, right? And sometimes we need to change the entire paragraph or entire line, we have to change it. That's how to do that. Everything is very simple. That's what today we are going to learn, editing the text object in the PowerPoint, right? So far we have seen slide arrangement, how to arrange it in the outline tab, how to arrange it in the slide sorter view. Everything is easy, very easy. And today we are going to learn this editing text object, right? Yeah, here we go. It is important to know how to perform basic tasks with the text while working in the PowerPoint. This is very important, dear children. If we don't know it, we will not be able to complete the task, right? So the text you type in the placeholder, you know what is the meaning of placeholder. So when you click on placeholder will be a small box type, rectangular box type. So that is a placeholder. That box only holds the text, so that we call it as a placeholder. The text you type in placeholders such as title, subtitle, etc. The placeholder will contain everything. Even the placeholder contain text, object, right, image, table. So everything we can keep it in the placeholder. Okay, then can only be modified in the normal view. So these can be modified in the normal view. Okay, all this can be modified only the normal view. We know already how many views we have. It is possible only in normal view, editing the text object. So how to do that, sir? First, what we supposed to open the slide in which you want to edit the text. First, we have to open the slide and then click on the text. A placeholder will appear. First, open the slide presentation and open the slide. First, select the slide which and where you are going to make a corrections, and then click on the text. When you click on the text, right, a placeholder will appear, right, like a box. Place the cursor at the point where you want to edit the text. Just click on the place where you want to make a corrections or edit the text. Then mouse pointer will go there. Cursor will be ready to take make a corrections. Now make the required changes in the text. We can make corrections now. And then after editing the text, click on the save button. This is a symbol of the save button, okay? On the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar will be there in the top corner. I'll show you. To save the changes, either for the saving, we can do three options. Either click on the quick save button, the quick access toolbar, or press Ctrl S in your keyboard. Ctrl S the keyboard, or one more option is go to the file option and come to the file button, office button, and come down and save. I'll show you everything now. Okay. Now I will show you that. So what we supposed to do? Editing the text. It is possible only in the normal view. So this is a normal view. This is called the normal view. So I want to edit, sir. I want to edit the text. So what we can do it here? I just take this one. So here only I have just, I want to edit the text, the slide number 6. Slide number 6, changing the slide layout. So here I want to change it. I want to make a corrections here. Now when you keep it this side, See this side, nothing is visible, only text is visible. I want to add one more line here. Before, click on the view tab. Before that, I want to add one more line here. So that is my corrections. Okay. So when I take the mouse pointer over there, when I click on that particular place, immediately a placeholder appears. See the rectangular box. This is called placeholder. Placeholder appears. Now it is ready to make corrections. And see there, my cursor, mouse pointer is blinking there. Okay. So which means it is now ready to type. What I am going to do? I am going to add one more line. So press enter, then go there above. So this is I am going to type it now. This is the 5th computer class. So finished. I have added now. Now after adding it, what we are supposed to do? We have to save the document. If you don't save the document and close it, then these corrections will not be updated in your presentation. So there are 3 ways I said. What is the first one? Go to the quick access toolbar and this is the save button, right? So click on here. So there will be, okay, click on here. Now it is saved. And as well as I said in the computer, in the keyboard, press Ctrl S. With the computer, Ctrl plus S. Pressed, saved. Or one more option, go to the file, office button or file. There you can see save. So press save. So there are 3 ways to save the document. Now my document, the correction has been updated. So this way only we can edit the corrections. I mean we can edit the object. Right? So now we shall see another one. So next topic is moving the object. This is very simple, dear children. Moving the object. When we speak of the moving object in the sense, imagine from one room to the room itself, we can move the object. For example, take a chair. From this place to in that place, you have to change or move the chair. What can you do? You can lift it and keep it there. And please understand the logic. You lift the chair and keep it there. So when you lift and keep it there, what happened? Ultimately, the chair will be placed there. Here will be empty. Here will be empty. Here will be no chair. Because this chair has been moved there. Right? So this can be done here, the room itself. Or we can do one more. We can take the chair and keep it in another room. We can keep it in another room. That is also possible. So when you do that, ultimately when you move, what happens? The chair or table will be moved completely from this place to another place. Right? It's called moving. Right? That's the same way. Here we are going to learn it. We are going to move the object inside the slide itself. We can do it in the particular slide itself. We can move the object, or we can move the object in other slides also. One slide to other slide. As I said, from shifting the chair and keeping it in another place in the room itself, or take the chair and keep it in another room, another way. So that's what we are going to do it. We can we can move the object in the slide itself, or we can move the slide into another slide, object into the another slide. Right? So that's what is saying here. In a presentation, you can move the objects from one place to another place, either on the same slide or between different slides. As I said, between different slides. Follow these steps to move the object. Remember, dear children, when you move the object in that place, object will not be there because we are moving. When you move the new place, the chair will be there. Object will be there. The old place, nothing will be there. Empty. Right? Select the object. Whatever we do, first we have to select it. And then click on the cut located on the home tab. Cut also, we know already cut, copy and paste. Cut, copy and paste. Today we are learning cut. When we cut it, it will be cut automatically. It will be disappearing from the place. As we take a chair or table, in that place empty disappears because you cut it, you are going to keep it in another place. Same way, cut button located on the home tab. For the cut also we have two ways. Home tab and cut this. Use this symbol to cut it, or in the keyboard use shortcut key Control plus X. Control plus X for cutting, or one more option, right click and options will be shown and use cut. So there are three options to cut the object, and then that object disappears from the slide and it is placed on the clipboard. It is placed on the clipboard. So whenever we paste it, it will be there. Until we cut the next one, it will be there in the clipboard. Place the cursor after last point on the same slide. Click on the paste button. This is a paste button, paste icon on the home tab, or use Control plus V. As I was telling, for the pasting we have three options again. The keyboard Control plus V to paste it, or home tab paste it, or right click the option select paste option, and this object will be appear at the cursor position. See here itself we can do it, right? This is the selected text will disappear. When we select and cut it, that selected object will be disappeared. First, if you don't select it, nothing will happen. First select and do it, right? Now I will show you the demo now. I am going to same thing. Okay. Now in this one, now when I click it, I am going to take this is a 5th computer class. I am going to bring this line to the end. I am going to bring this line to the end. Okay. First what I supposed to do, click on the text, select the line, complete line. Now it is selected, and then home tab, there is a cut icon. Cut it. When I click cut option, that line disappears. Now it has been saved in the clipboard, and where I want to do that, last place here, click there. After clicking, what I supposed to do, you have to paste it either on the keyboard Control plus V, or the same home tab, there is a paste. Okay. When I press paste, the line has been pasted here. Okay. Or we have one more way. I'll just cut here, select, left click, as I was telling, no, left click, here also cut icon appears. See in the option, cut appears here, right? So cut, and then keep it in the 4th place here. I am going to paste here, right click, pasted. So this is how we can do it. We can copy, we can move the object one place to another place. The same way we can do that the another slide also. This is one room, changing the slide layout. See that I am going to paste it in that, rearranging the slide in the outline tab. Same way, Control, right click, paste, or home tab and paste. See, it is appearing here. So not only in that particular slide, we can paste it in the different slide also, right? So here we continue. Yeah, to move the text object to another position, so tips it is extra. To move the text object to another position, click anywhere inside in the placeholder that contains the text, right? So not only the lines, if you want to move the entire object, okay, if you want to move to the corner or anywhere, what you can do, click on the placeholder, so the line will be changed, and hold the placeholder and move it, that complete text will be moved. Okay, please place the pointer on the border where the pointer changes to a double headed arrow. Click on the border and drag the mouse to where you want to place the text, and then release the mouse button. So I'll show you now how that. See here, it is a normal one. I'm going to change this. I'm going to arrange this one to this end or down. Okay. So what I will do it, when I click on that, the placeholder will appear. I want to change entire line here downside. Entire 4 points downside. What I'm going to do it, so click, I will click. Now when the placeholder is visible, the dotted line is appearing. I will just do it now. Click on that, then line is appearing. Now hold. So when the 4 lines are appearing, now move it. We can move anywhere. So now it is being moved. So likewise only we can move it. That's what they say here, right? Okay, dear children, this is very important to learn cut, copy, paste. Now today we have seen cut. So we use the term cut for moving the object. Learn it properly. So this cut, copy, paste, all this feature we use it everywhere in the computer. Whenever we use the computer science, we can use it. So please, dear children, when you get a chance, please try to use it, practice it, so that it will be easy for you. And try to move the object from one place to another place and make some corrections in the object. That's what we have seen today. Please read this and read your book and learn the answers properly. Thank you.